Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to choose a thumbnail on YouTube A/B testing. So if you run a YouTube channel and if you want to try their new feature test and compare and then upload sample thumbnails right here and don't know which thumbnail to choose, then what I'm going to show you right now is the new feature of YouTube, which is this test and compare different thumbnails. So upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. The one which is the winner, of course, that thumbnail is the one for your video. So if you tap this question icon right here, it will show you the instruction and information about this new feature. So YouTube will see which one performs the best out of these three thumbnails. Wait for the results up to 2 weeks to see the report to go to the video details page. So you just have to wait for at least 2 weeks and then you will see which is the winning thumbnail right here. So I cannot show you what it is because I haven't uploaded a video yet. But actually, this is what it looks like. You will see a thumbnail and then winner beside the thumbnail. And of course, obviously, that is the thumbnail that you're going to choose on your YouTube video. So as you can see here, this is the test report after 2 weeks. And of course, the highest percentage here is the one that you're going to use for your YouTube video. So that is how advantage it is to use this YouTube A/B testing. Thanks to this new feature here on YouTube, it's such a big help for all the people who's using YouTube channels nowadays. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.